students. Today in music class we're going to be talking about musical form. Form is the structure of music or how music is built based on a pattern of parts of music that sound the same and parts of the music that sound different from one another. We're going to start off today with some rhythm echoes. It's my turn first. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta. Try that one again. Ready? Ta, ti, ta. Okay, fourth graders, so we're going to take a look at this rhythm and we are going to use different rests to create a new one. Let's start by saying this rhythm together. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's clap it. Ready? Here we go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. All notes, no rests. Now, I am going to take my red marker here and I'm going to cross out that ta. So if I cross out that ta and rewrite it, that's now a rest. It's going to be a beat of silence. Let's say this rhythm together. It starts with a rest, so we're going to start with a beat of silence. Ready? Here we go. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Here we go. Rest. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Now, I'm going to take my red marker and I'm going to cross out another note. Ooh, so now I'm getting rid of 1/8 note or 1/2 of a beat. So I start with my quarter rest, then I have my ta. Now I need an 1/8 rest. This is the one that looks like a 7 with a little ball on the end. That means this 1/8 note is all by itself and its little flag is hanging down. And then that leaves us with this one right here. So we're going to say this. Ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta. We're going to use this rhythm in the song Sansa Chroma coming up. Now we're going to learn a song called Sansa Chroma. And this song is a song from the country of Ghana, which is on the continent of Africa. We can see Ghana here. This song is in the Akan language, and it is about a hawk that's been orphaned, which means it doesn't have any parents. And the hawk is soaring high above the sky looking for its family, or looking for someone it can call its family. Sa sa chroma ni ne wu ache kokoma. 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 Let's do the pronunciation together. Sa sa chroma ni ne wu ache kokoma. Sa sa chroma ni ne wu ache kokoma. Let's put it all together again. My turn first. Sa sa chroma ni ne wu ache kokoma. Sa sa chroma ni ne wu ache kokoma. My turn again. This time I'm going to do a longer phrase. Sa sa chroma ni ne wu ache kokoma. Sa sa chroma ni ne wu ache kokoma. So as you can hear, those two phrases, the words are the same. The pitches are what change. So in the first phrase, "Nene woo che che coco ma," and then in the second phrase it goes, "Nene woo che che coco ma." It one's lower in the second phrase. Now, that is part A of Sansachroma. Now we need to learn part B. So for part B, you need either your hands, 2 pencils or 2 sticks, or I have a plastic cup here. So let me move my computer back so that you can see what I've got here. I've got a cup, and I'm going to be tapping it on my desk and patting it in my hands. Our rhythm pattern that we use for part B goes like this. We have rest. Ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta. Rest. Ta, ti, ta. The lyrics or the words and music to part B go like this. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. 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 When I put those two together, I get this. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. I'm going to do it again, and I want you to sing along with me. Don't worry about clapping. Ready? Here we go. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. This time, I want you to clap, but don't worry about singing. Ready? Here we go. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. This time, try to put them both together if you can. If you can't get it and you're feeling really confused, it's all right. Just pick one and stick with it, okay? Ready? Here's our part B. Here we go. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. Now, if you have a cup, you can try this part. We're going to add another level of difficulty. If you're still all the way back on just singing or just clapping, that's fine too. Stay there. It's all good. Here's our next part we can add with our cup to that part B. We can do tap. So we can tap it on the desk and then tap it in our hands. We have rest. Ta, ti, ta. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. 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 I threw the cup on the ground. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. So now we're going to try putting these two parts together, part A and part B. Let's review part A. This is the part where we're just singing. Ready? Here we go. Sa, sa, chroma, ni, ni, woo, a, che, che, coco, ma. Sa, sa, chroma, ni, ni, woo, a, che, che, coco, ma. Sa, sa, chroma, ni, ni, woo, a, che, che, coco, ma. Sa, sa, chroma, ni, ni, woo, a, che, che, coco, ma. Here comes part B. We're going to be either clapping our hands, rest, clap, rest, ta, ti, ta, or you can play it with your cup, rest, ta. Remember, you can do any level of this for part B. You can just sing, you can just clap or tap, or you can try all three at this, or you could try both of them at the same time. Let's try it. This is part B. Sa, sa. Sa, sa, chroma. 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 Now we're going to go back to part A. Ready? Here we go. Sa, sa, chroma, ni, ni, woo,
woo, che che coco ma. Sa sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. We're going to put it all together. A, B, A, without stopping. We start by singing. Ready? Here we go. Sa sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa chroma. Sa chroma. Sa chroma. Sa chroma. Sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. Sa chroma ni ne woo, che che coco ma. And there we have it. There's our song, Sa Chroma, in A, B, A form. That song is in what we call A, B, A form because we started with the A section where we were just singing. Then we went on to the B section where we were either clapping our hands or playing with our cup. And then we came back to the A section where we were just singing again. So now we're going to learn a new song. This song is called The Old Autumn Wind. I want you to listen to me first. Just listen. Old autumn wind, where do you hang your hat on a Saturday night? Old autumn wind, where do you make your home? Make your home. Now repeat after me. Old autumn wind, where do you hang your hat? Old autumn wind, where do you hang your hat? My turn. On a Saturday night. On a Saturday night. My turn. Old autumn wind, where do you make your home? Make your home. Old autumn wind, where do you make your home? Make your home. Let's try the whole thing together. Ready? Here we go. Old autumn wind, where do you hang your hat on a Saturday night? Old autumn wind, where do you make your home? Make your home. Now, we can take this song and we can sing the whole thing through, but start at different times. Old autumn wind, where do you hang your hat on a Saturday night? Old autumn wind, where do you make your home? Make your home. Make your home. We're going to learn another song about a canoe. This is actually called the Canoe Song, and there's a part in here that we're going to hear a couple times. It goes like this. Dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing. It's about dipping your paddle into the water and swinging it around to the other side of your canoe. Let's try it. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose flight. Dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose track. Dip, dip, and swing. Let's learn it together. My turn first, and then you're going to echo. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose flight. Dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back. Flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose track. Dip, dip, and swing. Let's try it again, and this time we're going to sing longer phrases. My turn first. My paddles keen and bright, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose track, dip, dip, and swing. Let's put the whole thing together. Ready? Here we go. My paddles keen and bright, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose track, dip, dip, and swing. We can also perform this song in a round. I'm going to start first. When I point, I want you to start first from the beginning. My turn. My paddles keen and bright, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver. Follow the wild goose track, dip, dip, and swing.
Follow the wild goose track, dip, dip, and swing.
Let's learn another song that fits with the Canoe Song. This song is called Land of the Silver Birch. When I think of birch trees, I think of them growing by a lake, which maybe that's the lake we're canoeing on in our Canoe Song. Land of the silver birch, home of the beaver, where still the mighty moose wanders at will. Blue lake and rocky shore, I will return once more. Boom diddy boom boom, boom diddy boom boom, boom diddy boom boom boom. In next week's lesson, you are going to practice performing those two songs as a partner song. Here's a Okay, fourth graders, we are now going to make some harmony, which means we're going to hear two different notes at the same time. And we're going to do it with our voices by changing the way we sing songs. The first one we're going to try is singing in a round. When we sing in a round, two different people or two different groups of people sing the exact same song, but they start at different times. So this person might start singing Old Autumn Wind, and then when they reach the point in the music where you see the marking, that's when the second person or the second group of people will start singing from the beginning. So they're singing the whole song, they're just starting at different times. So they don't start together, they don't end together, but they're singing the same song. A partner song is another way that we can make harmony by singing. When we're singing partner songs, one group of people sings one song, like the Canoe Song, while another group of people sings a second song that's different. Different, but it has enough in common that it fits. So it would have the same time signature or meter, it would be based on the same pitches, and it would be the same number of measures.